Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
So today we're going to be doing another round of slime, and it is Layla
And Brooklyn.
So let's get started.
So today, what glue are we going to be using?
We are going to be using white glue.
Yep. So we got the white glue here, Elmer's, the Barbasol shaving creams, the magical liquid Elmer's glue thing, and we have paint for color and powder just in case we want that. So yeah, let's get started. Okay.
Is there a bowl?
Yep.
Don't mind our dad, he's just working his sleeves.
Yep. Okay, got mine. We're gonna make big slime. One sec.
No way, sorry.
Oh,
That's good.
it's flopping over.
Wait, add more to mine. Okay, yours is like so much. And that's good, Okay. So, we already got our glue on.
Yep. You can see it through. I'm gonna be using this one
I'm
because
gonna be using green.
there's this if you want it too.
I
I used that one. It's thick. I meant.
Okay. Let's mix.
Gosh, it's gonna be quite amazing to clean up. But let's put the color in right now, and then we'll put the activator.
Yeah. So I'm going to be using this like pink color.
Yep, and what color should I do?
I think you should do this color. Your
Yeah,
favorite color.
I'm gonna do purple.
Yeah, her favorite color. My favorite color is brown, but there's no brown.
Yeah.
So.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Got mine.
My
favorite color of the table.
Ooh. That looks so beautiful.
Ooh, mine looks so good.
Yeah. You should put some pink in yours, and I should put some purple.
Okay.
I just had to do a dot. Just see what it means. Ooh, that's kind of pretty.
Ooh, wait, look.
Whoa. You can see it. So, gather slime. And
should it be dark or light?
I think yours should be like mine. Not that dark. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, that's a cute color. Ah. Yeah, this is mine. I added like a dot of purple first. She added a dot.
We also made some before.
Yeah.
The
I'll go get
orange
mine.
and her yellow is over there. We tied up our hair this time.
Yeah.
Because,
last time it was kind of goo.
yeah.
This is mine.
Yep.
I made a bigger slime than her.
Yeah.
But now
Yours is really full.
Yeah. So
We're going to put this on. No hand sanitizer. Because that ruins it.
Yeah, last
Warning,
time.
do not use hand sanitizer.
Yeah,
Use
so-
contact solution.
Yeah, I used hand sanitizer, and it was hard. It got so sticky, and there's like slime all over my arm now. So,
Look
yeah.
at this.
Okay.
Take this. Ooh, that's cool. Whoa. Oh, I can see the bottom of the bowl now.
Me too.
This
Is yours-
doesn't.
Yeah, I need some more.
Yep. Mine too. Oh my gosh, looks so weird.
Yeah, because it gets shiny.
Looks like the cheese at my school. There's like a
Comment
layer.
down below if you're online or not online for school. Me and her were not online.
Yep, not even hybrid. Looks like yogurt.
Yeah.
Did you just eat it?
No.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Hey, stop. Don't want your crispy slime bits. Get off. Here, stay there.
This is so pretty. Oh my god. This car's so annoying.
Wait, should I? Oh gosh.
Yours is full. I think we might have added too much.
That was loud.
I don't think this is working. Comment down
Below, if
Below.
you think I shouldn't have touched this.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. I think I melted it.
Don't worry.
I feel it so crispy.
I'm not feeling it.
I said I feel it.
I was like, I'm not feeling it. This looks so pretty.
Oh gosh. I definitely should not have touched this.
Here.
No, 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 no!
You need like more glue. Or like shaving cream.
No, it's too sticky, so you don't need more glue.
Comment down below
If
I shouldn't have touched that. Like, look at this.
oh, ew.
Comment
Oh, my
down below, like, if you have any more siblings. If you have like,
1 or 2,
or like 5,
10.
15, 20.
Should I put this on the table? Oh gosh.
No, 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 no.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Ew, ew, ew.
Oh, it's getting all over my legs.
Oh Lord. Stop!
Oh my god, this is a tornado.
My hair. Ew, let go.
This is so funny.
Oh, shoot, I touched it.
Oh my
Stop
gosh.
touching me.
I'm trying to get this off me.
Oh gosh.
It's not working. I shouldn't have touched this.
Not me either.
Oh, you're blocking me again, like you always do.
Get off. Get off the table.
It's getting in my slime.
Stop.
She just went.
Oh gosh.
This is a tornation. Sis.
Scary.
We have a tornation.
It's like
here.
bubble gum. We're connected now.
Yeah. And I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh no. Get off, please.
Oh my god.
Can you put more in here?
Yes, I'll try.
A lot. Okay, stop.
Uh-oh. Oh my god.
Thank you so much. Ew.
This is like jelly now.
Okay, mine's getting better now.
Yeah, it's getting way better. And then we have to clean up this table with our slime.
Oh god. That wasn't me. It was a slime.
Her slime just farted.
Oh, finally. My
Finally.
hands are free. I definitely shouldn't have touched it, though.
Me either.
It's way too early.
Like, I swear, if our hands were clean, we can show you this table.
Yeah.
Are you? I don't know if you want to see it though.
It's scary. It's all over. Stop touching it.
Look, this hand's clean.
What the heck?
It's a mess. Look,
It's a mess.
I have a tornation.
What's a tornation?
Comment down below if you know what a tornation is.
It's a made-up word.
No, it's not. It's a big mess.
Can you maybe just clean this bit up just a little bit?
You think I want to do that?
I mean, that's your color.
So who cares? I'm literally cleaning up your color right now.
That's yours, though. And you're cleaning up the orange. Like,
I know, it's so cool.
oh, I shouldn't have. Okay, stop.
You said clean up the table.
Over there. Because that's your color. Over there.
Yeah, so you get to clean up your room.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, here's my bowl. We can finally clean up.
Stop touching me.
I'm not.
You literally are, though.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm trying. I have to clean it. Like my body.
I wish we were famous, so that would be amazing. I already have like 300 followers on TikTok.
Yeah, you can comment down. You can follow us on TikTok. Her username is, I have no idea. Tell them your username.
My username is .vibe with Brooke E.
My username is
Layla Love 0118.
yes.
She hasn't posted anything yet
Yes.
so far.
Yeah, not so far.
She will.
Yeah, I will like today.
Yeah. We'll post stuff.
Yeah, we'll post some stuff.
It's crazy. I haven't made a YouTube video in like forever.
Me
I
either.
did make one time. Me spending all night on the unicorn quote. Grab this real quick. And get your spoon over there. Aw, dang. This is nice. I'm gonna put mine on the floor. It's still on your arm.
This hurts. You know you did this, right? Because this is not my color. Oh! Oh, this hurts.
Comment down below what you want next from us.
Yes, like
We've
for
got you from spy tips to Barbies to babies, all stuff. We're
House
going to be
tour.
posting a house tour pretty soon.
Yes. And we'll make a video when our new baby brother is born.
Yes, we haven't told them about that, I don't think.
Yeah. We told her last video though.
Yeah.
But not this video.
I'm going to edit our YouTube soon.
Yeah.
Right now it's just my email. I also have Instagram if you want to follow me down below.
If you have Instagram.
Yep. Sorry we're being kind of quiet.
Yeah. We just have, like, nothing to say.
We'll do after.
I have more on me.
Whatever, get it with yours. After this video, we will go onto the road and roller skate and stuff.
Yeah, and we will make a video if you want to. Or we can make another slime video. Or and not go on the road making a video rollerblading.
Yeah.
Or we can do a house tour after.
Yeah.
Or we can play babies.
No, I don't think the viewers want to see babies all the time.
Yeah.
Here, I'll sign you into the YouTube on your iPad later.
Or we can show you. Wait, never mind.
Okay, some more time now that I've kind of cleaned myself. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to unstick it. Ah! Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Wait.
It's gonna get on your shirt.
Easy.
That's the yellow.
Yes. The yellow got on my shirt.
Ah.
Yeah, so just so you know, we're matching.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're not the same height, by the way. I'm
Yes.
taller.
I'm younger.
Yeah. How old are we, Layla?
We are 8 and 11.
In case you couldn't tell, I'm 11. She's 8.
Actually, I'm 11.
Very funny. Yeah, we'll give you a house tour, and then we'll give you a room tour of each of our rooms.
Yes, queen.
Yeah, we're going to do the house tour, not including our room. I think my phone's broken for that. Wiggle. How did that not pop?
Wiggle it up.
No wonder why your slimes are so not fluffy. You're going.
Wiggle it up. Okay, so you can comment down below if you're watching our video right now, what you want us to do, like right this second.
Yeah. We'll go live soon if we can. I don't know. So,
Yeah, we live in Florida if you want to meet us.
do not give them our address.
Yeah, I won't.
Because we don't want some old people knocking on the door at 3 a.m. It's like, hey, are you Brooklyn and Layla? Although that would be pretty cool to have some fans, but
Yeah, but it touched my shirt and I'm like,
weird. I am going to end the video soon. Okay. Time to show off our slime real quick. Okay, here's mine, purple. Okay, and now yours.
Here is mine.
Yep, and then
Pink.
yes. Okay. Bye for now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.